Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of office tech and sharing the top 5 office tech tips to streamline your work and make your office life a breeze. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Master keyboard shortcuts. Did you know that using keyboard shortcuts can save you tons of time? Memorize the basics like Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V for copying and pasting, but also explore shortcuts for specific software you use daily. They're a real game changer. Number 2. Organize your digital workspace. Clutter can slow you down. Keep your digital files organized with folders and subfolders. Consider using tools like Google Drive or OneDrive for cloud storage. A tidy workspace means a more efficient you. Next, time tracking and task management. Time is money, and we've got a solution to help you maximize both. Utilize time tracking apps or plugins to monitor how you spend your work hours. Combine this with a robust task management tool to break down your projects into manageable chunks. This way, you'll stay on top of your tasks and meet deadlines like a pro. Number 4. Expand with dual monitors. Working on a single screen can be limiting. Invest in a second monitor to boost your productivity. Imagine researching on one screen while drafting on the other. It's a game changer for multitasking. Finally, master virtual meetings. Virtual meetings are the norm now. Learn the ins and outs of your preferred video conferencing tool. Mute your mic when not speaking, use virtual backgrounds to keep it professional, and always test your audio and video before the meeting starts. And there you have it, our top 5 tech tips to supercharge your office life. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in your efficiency and overall work experience. Thanks for tuning in our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, stay tech savvy.